So you are looking for facts and benefits about blueberries? Here are a few facts about blueberries you may not have known. Before going forward, please do subscribe and watch till end. We don't want you to miss benefits about blueberries. Blueberries are in the strawberry family and are one of the most popular berries. They are an important fruit for the human body and are known to be good for your health. Blueberries are known to be very beneficial in some ways, including its use as a drink and in the making of ice-cold or iced blueberry juice. It is also used in salads for flavoring and to add nutritional value. The health benefits of blueberries include their ability to lower cholesterol levels, which is particularly helpful for people with high cholesterol levels. These berries have been shown to have a high content of anthocyanins, which can also help to lower cholesterol. Bacteria in the berries help to fight against sicknesses like diarrhea, colds, and the flu. They can also fight off bacteria found in the digestive tract that can cause indigestion. Blueberries also have the added benefit of increasing the immune system, which is useful for all ages. The fruit has also been proven to increase the strength of your nails and skin. Other facts about blueberries include the fact that they contain vitamin C, which can fight off colds, sinus infections and some types of cancers. The nutritional values of blueberries are also something to be considered when looking at the many facts about blueberries. They are filled with potassium, iron, magnesium, copper, vitamin C, riboflavin, calcium, selenium, thiamine, niacin, and other nutrients. They are also very rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Another fact about blueberries is that they contain antioxidants that help to fight cancer. Many different things can be associated with the health benefits of blueberries, including the fact that they have some antioxidants that fight against diseases. Another fact about blueberries is that they have carbohydrates that can help to lower the amount of sugar and fat that you put into your body. Some of the reasons why blueberry juices are said to help are due to the flavonoids that are in the berries. Flavonoids are antioxidants that can help reduce the risks of a wide variety of illnesses, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. The flavonoids in blueberries can help to slow down the aging process, which is another reason why blueberries are a good source of flavonoids. Browsing through facts about blueberries can help you learn about how blueberries fit into your diet and what to expect from eating healthy foods like this. It also helps to know that blueberries are low in calories and high in vitamins and nutrients. These are just a few of the many facts about blueberries that you can use when considering the health benefits of blueberries. Facts about blueberries are a great way to add this delicious berry to your diet. You can learn more about the facts about blueberries by reading more about them online or at your local library. There are many different places where you can find out about facts about blueberries.